Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. 14th August 1947, an unforgettable day in our global history. Today, on the 75th day of independence, let's pledge. Let's celebrate freedom by promoting a human rights culture in which respect, dignity, and equality become a code for life. Let's discourage individualism and promote nationalism. Let's reinvigorate and implement the true spirit of Constitution, which is the principles of democracy, freedom, equality, tolerance, and social justice as enunciated in Islam are fully observed. Let's make our minorities to freely profess and practice their religions and promote their culture. Remember, minorities are our backbones and we are bound to protect them. Let's make Pakistan a place to live where fundamental rights, including equality of life, status, opportunity before law, social, economic, and political justice, freedom of thought, expression, faith, worship, and association subject to law and public morality are guaranteed. This will be our role to live up to the dreams of 1947. There should be freedom in our mind, faith in our words, and pride in our hearts. May Allah Kareem bless you and your families. Pakistan Zindabad.
इससे मेरी पहचान है, इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी